How to change your email on KuCoin. If you'd like to change your email on the KuCoin app, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch KuCoin, and this is the interface you will be able to see after you log into the account. Then tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From there, you want to simply go to the option that says Security. Under Security, you'll find many options. Look for the one that says Email and just tap on it. Then here, you can choose to unbind, which means to unlink your current email. But you can tap on it, tap on Unbind Email, but for that, you have to bind a phone number, right? And if you want to change it, tap on Change Email. Then first you have to confirm your current email. Then after that, it will send a verification code. When it's done, you will be asked to enter a new email and verify, and your KuCoin account's email will be successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change your email on KuCoin. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.